Hey everybody, Scott Moore on the road as usual. I think most of you would agree I'm probably one of the more mobile people that you're going to meet, and I spend an awful lot of my time trying to get my work done on the road on one of these things. We're all using mobile devices more than ever before, right? I want to talk about that today. Let me give you a couple of statistics. Did you know that mobile devices are expected to hit about 66% of all IT devices shipped worldwide this year? And that's up about 10% from last year. And mobile commerce is expected to be about 58% of all US retail e-commerce this year, and that's up from 54% last year as well. It's no surprise why. Mobile devices are becoming more powerful, more capable, and more accessible every day. Did you know that there's also a rise in enterprise application usage on these as well? Why aren't we making testing on mobile devices a priority in QA when we're building software? Well, Scott, that sounds like a great idea, but hey, we're struggling in a DevOps environment trying to make our testing on mobile devices as continuous as our other testing. Have you got any great ideas for us? Well, I've got a few. Number one, how about we make the automated testing on mobile devices easier to do so that more roles in the organization can do it, not just the developers creating complex scripts like they have in the past? Number two, why don't we make those automated tests easier to get into our continuous pipeline? And three, let's make sure that we're building an environment of collaboration where our application developers are hand in hand working with the automated testing group that's testing on these mobile devices. So that means there's a process issue to deal with as well. Guess what? My friends at Tricentis have built something to address all of these and more to help you with their Testim mobile product. They've actually built a platform that allows you to build fast, codeless automation on real or virtual devices that you can spin up from anywhere, and you can do it in a collaborative and continuous way. Check this out.
Tricentis Testim Mobile makes it easy to record your mobile applications for automation. As you record, it creates a GUI-based list of steps that you can modify, verify, and control right within the web browser through an intuitive interface. The grid view shows that your test can be executed from various virtual or physical devices, and this includes integrations with BrowserStack, Sauce Labs, and the Tricentis Real Device Cloud that has data centers around the world. Check out all the metrics that you can see, including the overall impact score that shows the health of your automated test. You can integrate with any continuous integration tool you want, including GitHub Actions, CircleCI, Azure Pipelines, Bamboo, and more. If you don't have a continuous pipeline, you can still use the internal built scheduler to execute tests whenever you like, and use that as a kind of CI pipe. The reports view allows you to track exactly what's going on with your test, their health, and show what's being accomplished so you can see your productivity. How many tests are being created? Who's creating them? How are they being created? What are your pass and fail rates? And much, much more information.
Automated mobile testing in a DevOps environment can be more efficient, more effective, and more collaborative than we've ever had in the past. But you gotta have the right tools to enable your team to build that awesome software faster and more frequently. So make sure to check out Testim Mobile and contact Tricentis if you're struggling, and get started on that journey today and let them know that I sent you. By the way, have you checked out my new show, DevOps Driving? It's where I'm traveling around far and wide asking all the experts, how do we all succeed in this thing we call DevOps, no matter how big or small our organization is? Whether it's development, testing, deployment, or operations, we're talking about it on the show. So I hope you'll check out the latest episode at DevOpsDriving.com. I'm Scott Moore, and I'll see you on the road.